Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to publish community posts on YouTube. First, navigate to YouTube Studio and select Create from the top right. Then, choose Create Post. Remember, your channel usually needs at least 500 subscribers to access this valuable feature. It's a fantastic way to connect directly with your viewers and share updates. Once you're in the Create Post section, you'll see options for different post types. You can write a simple text update or add an image, GIF, or even a poll. Just type your message into the main text box. Think carefully about what you want to share and how it will best resonate with your viewers. To make your post more dynamic, click the image icon to upload photos or GIF directly from your device. If you want to ask your audience a question, select the poll icon and add your options. You can also schedule your post to publish later by clicking the arrow next to Post and choosing a specific date and time. Before you hit Post, take a moment to review everything. Ensure your message is clear and any media looks correct. Once published, monitor the comments section. Responding to your audience helps foster a strong community. Try asking open-ended questions in your posts to spark more conversation and engagement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.